Do you want to hide the view count on your Instagram profile? You can hide view count on Insta Reel with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide the view count on your Instagram profile. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines menu at the top right corner of the screen. A new screen will appear. From here, scroll down to the For Professionals section and select Creator Tools and Controls under it. This option may not be available to personal accounts, so make sure your account is professional. On the new screen, scroll down to the view counts on the profile and tap on it. Now, find the option Hide View Counts and toggle the switch to turn it on. When you enable this toggle switch button, your Instagram profile will no longer display view counts to your followers and visitors.